What's up, everybody? It's the PA, and I'm going to show you how to open a wine with a waiter's corkscrew. Let's take a trip to the supermarket, buy a bottle of wine. Let's get it going. On this tool itself, what you notice is there's actually three tools on the waiter's corkscrew. There's the foil cutter, there's the actual worm here, the corkscrew, and then there's the lever. In this case, it's a two-stage lever. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to open this up. That way, when your girlfriend or your boyfriend, a significant other, your family members come over, you know how to open a bottle of wine. You don't need one of those rabbits, one of those fancy gadgets. All you need is something like this, a nice waiter's corkscrew, which you can get fairly inexpensively cheap. And we're going to go ahead and open this and show you how to do it. So I guess I'll open this one right here. Put this one to the side here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and pull out the foil cutter, which is this right here. And there's two options when it comes to this. You can either score it along the neck of the bottle itself, on this little lip right here, or at the top where the cork is. I like to do it at the cork here, and that's what I'm going to do. One thing you should never do is go ahead and rip the whole foil off. It just doesn't look good. It looks ugly. That's not the way you're supposed to do it, really. So I'm going to go ahead and I just took out the knife, the foil cutter, and I'm just going to go ahead and hold it like this, and I'm going to score it around and just move that bottle nice and round until you score it. And then what's going to happen is the foil is going to fall right over. So go ahead and peel that foil over. Okay, so now we have the foil is out of there, and we have exposed just the cork. We'll go ahead and put the foil cutter back in, and then we'll take our actual corkscrew now. And the way you want to start the corkscrew is you want to start at an angle and in the middle. So we'll go ahead and get it in there. So now we'll go ahead and turn it clockwise. So we'll turn it, and then this is a two-stage. So when I get here, I notice that stage one lines up with the actual bottle here at the top. So you go ahead and you press it in, and then the lever here, you go ahead and press it up. See, there's one stage right there. So then you want to go ahead and bring it up, and the second stage here is going to rest up against the lip of the bottle, and you bring that up. And basically that's how you open a wine bottle with a waiter's corkscrew. And then the next thing you want to do is when you pour this wine, don't go ahead and like an idiot pour the whole thing into the glass. Go ahead, and whoever's tasting it, you can pour a little bit and let them taste it, or if you know the wine is good, you can go ahead and pour a little bit more, but don't fill the cup like it's a glass of milk or something. I don't know. About there is fine. So it's very simple to do. Again, you don't need these fancy gadgets. You don't need the rabbit. You don't need anything that's battery operated, all this crap that's taking up space. If you buy just the waiter's corkscrew, it doesn't take that much space. You know, you can fold it nicely. This one I happen to have here. I'll leave the link for the Amazon, but it's a nice wooden handle, and this thing, I swear, it's been you know, it just works. And when you go to restaurants, this is actually what they use. They don't use anything else. So I hope this has been informative for you. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, share, put a like, leave a comment. This is the PA. I appreciate you guys checking out my channel, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. It's good stuff. Wine is a gift of God for all of humanity, I think. It's all good.